What's up, guys? Got a brand new sugar scoop here. Today I'm going to show you guys how to mark it out to cut down the bottom and the top. The reason we do that is because these things are pretty long, and so when you get them brand new, what happens is when you flip your head down to put your hood down, it'll karate chop you in the throat. And then same thing when you flip it up. So we're going to get this thing chopped down. First thing we're going to do is we're going to take out all the headgear. I typically just like to use a regular old, Stanley tape measure that measures 1.5 inches wide. It's about perfect for what I found. We'll set it up just like this. And so it's sitting down on the bottom of the hood right there. And we will just go all the way around this guy. There. Keep coming around this way. Back on me. So, just like that, and we'll have a line all the way around the hood. For the top, what I typically do is same thing, put it down right there where it rests. I'll take our tape measure we just used, and I'll put a mark right here in the center of the top. Then I'll mark right here, right where it starts to bend on each side. And then I'll take a pipe wrap and mark this one out with a pipe wrap. The reason I do that is because if we solely use the tape measure and come around to here, obviously that'll get into where our headgear is going to sit. So we can't do that. Like that. I went a little bit below my mark, but that'll be okay. We're just going to chop a little bit off the top just like that. I'm going to get a little bit of sandpaper, sand down these edges, round off these corners right here, and we'll be good to go. All right, we got our headgear back in. See how she fits now. Much further away. I will be hydro dipping this one tomorrow, just like I did my other silver and black sugar scoop that I had. So put a drop in the comments. Let me know, what colors you think I should hydro dip this one. Appreciate it.